Marketing training. Developing excellence in business comes from learning and applying the very best practices to your business and the people within it. How would your business benefit if its marketing people were applying the very best marketing practices every day? Our marketing training is for anyone within your business who has any level of responsibility for marketing. This could be the business owner themselves, a senior manager, or someone employed in a specific marketing role. And the training will provide them with the skills that they need to be the very best marketeer they can be. Marketing training can be delivered on a one-to-one coaching basis or via training workshops. These training workshops are available in two formats, private or open. Private workshops are for businesses who prefer that the training is just for people from their business. Ideal if you require confidentiality, or for businesses who require 5 or more people to be trained, or of course both. Open workshops are where you and or your team members can learn alongside other like-minded marketing professionals. The training is run over 2 half-day sessions that are typically 1 week apart to allow what's been learned in session 1 to be put to use and then debriefed in session 2. In advance of the training, you'll receive links to 2 online assessments to help understand communication styles and where your natural talents and gifts are for marketing. The first session is focused on the principles and processes of marketing, and we'll cover the 6 levers that control profit, reporting and recording marketing performance, the principles of marketing, the ladder of customer loyalty, unique selling propositions and guarantees, and your natural marketing talents and gifts. The second session is focused on the practices of marketing, and we'll cover how to define your target market from your USP and then determine the best marketing strategies to reach it. Creating relevant offers and great copy, how to market to existing clients and customers, and how to create raving fans and get referrals. So, how would your business benefit if its marketing people were applying the very best marketing practices every day? To learn more about developing marketing excellence in your business, please follow the link or contact us today.